Hello, welcome to my channel. If you are new and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back. Have you dreamt of working in the aviation industry? Well, this is a chance for you because Fly Dubai is hiring. There are so many post positions that are available. Please go to careers.flydubai.com. They are hiring cabin crew, pilots with other positions are available, but for now we are only going to talk about the cabin crew. We are going to go through the documents needed, what are the requirements for you to be able to apply. Yes, but I advise at least have a full picture of yourself with a passport photo, preferably in a business attire, because you want to be different from other people that will be applying. And since it's the aviation, as you can see, the uniform is best like in a business attire. Take a full picture and also a passport photo, attach both of them. Okay, let's go right into it. Take your career to a new destination aligned with your purpose, passion, and aspirations. Fly Dubai offers a wide range of career opportunities, whether be a pilot, cabin crew, engineering, or maintenance, or working on the ground. Browse our vacancies and see if you have what it takes to join our multinational team and unlock your full potential. So these are the options. There is cabin crew, like I said, pilot or behind the scenes, engineering, UAE national opportunities or internship. Well, you click on what you prefer, but for now, we're checking out cabin crew. So on cabin crew, they tell you, do you want to fly high, work hard and have fun, whatever the weather, whatever the day, then join our team. We would like to hear from you. Our cabin crew are the brand ambassadors for Fly Dubai and the city of Dubai. We take pride in taking our passengers safe whilst delivering exceptional customer service each and every time they fly with us. If you are passionate about people, are hardworking, and have an unwavering commitment to provide a great experience, then we would like to hear from you. As Fly Dubai cabin crew, you will be part of a dynamic and multicultural team that ensures a unique, safe, consistent, and reliable in-flight experience for our diverse customer base. So these are the minimum requirements. Must be at least 21 years old, minimum height of 158 centimeters in accordance with our safety regulations. Well groomed and professional appearance in line with Fly Dubai's grooming standards, no visible tattoos while in uniform, possession of a valid passport, in good health with the ability to pass an aeromedical examination, fluent in written and spoken English, proficiency in additional languages is an advantage. So if you have other languages that you can speak, French, German, whatever, add that for your advantage. Confident in the water when wearing a flotation aid or life jacket. Willing to work irregular hours, including weekends, holidays, and overnight shifts. Enthusiastic and proactive with a passion for delivering excellent service. Respectful, adaptable, and willing to work in a multicultural team environment. Must have a safety conscious attitude and ability to respond to emergencies in a calm and effective manner. Sometimes customers will try you. You need to keep calm. Willing to relocate to Dubai. High school diploma is essential. International aviation experience is an advantage, but if you don't have it, don't worry. Apply. 1 year of experience in customer service role, ideally in aviation, hospitality, or retail. Training bound USD 2,650, which is approximately to 9,700 AED for the first year. Pay and benefits: basic salary plus housing allowance plus transportation allowance, and then the amount is also listed there in dirhams, 8,275, plus variable flying pay, average monthly 4,500 dirhams based on average of 90 flying hours. So other rewards, you will receive medical insurance, end of service benefit, paid leave of 30 days per year, annual leave ticket, concessional tickets for family and friends, open-ended contract. Career growth. At Fly Dubai, we aim to provide opportunities for individual growth and self-development, allowing our staff to enjoy a long and successful career. Well, the application process, there will be an online application. That is what you're going to do. Online assessment test. We will send you a link to complete a series of online psychometric tests in relation to work behavior, logical thinking, multitasking, and verbal reasoning. There are opportunities to complete practice questions before completing the real thing. And then there is a video interview. We will then invite you to an on-demand video interview wherein you record your responses to a list of set of questions. This helps us to get to know you a bit better. Then application review. At this stage, we will review your assessment test results and your overall application to ensure it meets minimum role requirements. If you successfully meet our criteria, you will be invited for our assessment days. Then you click apply. So here they show you which job listings are available. Before there was one for Poland as well, but Poland closed yesterday on the 7th of February. So there is cabin crew for Hungary Assessment Center, that is Budapest, with the closing date 14th February 2025. So if you are in Europe or Hungary, this is for you to apply on. Cabin crew UAE Assessment Center, which will be in Dubai. Cabin crew, the closing date of the application is 14th February 2025. So apply now. Kindly like, comment, and subscribe if such videos interest you. So you enter your email address, accept, and then go to the next and fill in whatever needs to be filled in with your information. I wish you all the best in your application. For those people that are outside of UAE, Hungary, or Poland, I would advise that you apply on the UAE posting, because it will be easier for you to get a visa in case you might be required to fly to Dubai to be able to attend the in-person interview. If you are outside of UAE, I think it will be best you let them know in your application that you are outside of UAE just in case they want in-person interviews. They'll always consider you. They'll give you some time for you to be able to get your visa and then fly over. See you next time in another video. Thank you for always watching.